Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by verifying your GPU and OS meet requirements. Nvidia image scaling needs a modern driver. Once verified, update the Nvidia driver, use GeForce Experience or the standalone installer, and reboot. Make sure no games are running and back up any custom profiles in Nvidia control panel. These steps avoid conflicts and ensure the scaler is available. After reboot, open Nvidia Control Panel or GeForce Experience so you can access the image scaling or sharpening options and proceed to enable them. Now enable image scaling where you prefer, global or per application. In Nvidia Control Panel, go to Manage 3D Settings, choose Global or a specific program, find Image Scaling or Nvidia Image Sharpening, and switch it on. Adjust the sharpness slider gradually, typically around 0, 50 to 0. 75, so you balance clarity and artifacts. If you use GeForce Experience, open in-game overlay, then game filter or experimental features to enable NIS per title. Once applied, launch the game to confirm the effect. Finish by testing in-game. Try native and upscaled resolutions to judge performance and image quality. Monitor FPS to ensure NIS gives the expected uplift without unacceptable artifacts. If you see stuttering, flicker, or no effect, reset Nvidia settings, roll the driver back to the previous stable release, and disable other overlays like Discord or RTSS which can conflict. Make sure your game profile is saved so NIS stays enabled, and update drivers periodically to maintain compatibility and fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.